Hello everyone, this is free daily current affairs test. Please answer to these questions. Kala azar is a disease caused by a protozoa parasite, virus, bacteria, none of this. The answer is protozoan parasite. Kala azar is a disease caused by the protozoan parasite that is transmitted by the bite of an infected female sandfly. Um, so it's the second deadliest parasitic disease after malaria in India. The health ministry had given a report, and if it can maintain the declining trend for another year, India will become eligible to seek the elimination certificate from the World Health Organization, making it the second country in the world after Bangladesh. Okay. Second question: which of the following parts of India are rich in basaltic rocks? Maharashtra, parts of Deccan Plateau, Gujarat. The answer is B, 1, 2, and 3. Apart from these regions, Jharkhand, West Bengal, the Rajmahal Hills regions also has the basaltic rocks. Um, Actually, the consequence of this, the all rocks naturally break down into minerals over thousands of years, and the consequences of this process is that atmospheric carbon reacts with these minerals, calcium and magnesium largely, and becomes bicarbonates. And the basaltic rock, a kind of volcanic rock, is rich in minerals such as calcium and magnesium. Okay. Uh, I explained the issue, the news in the next question. Which one of the following dust enriches the soil as fertilizers? Manganese dust, wooden dust, basaltic dust, aluminum dust. The answer is basaltic dust. Um, Wooden dust is a degradable one, but it does not enrich the soil. Manganese, we know, it will become poison, and aluminum definitely not. Okay. So being an organic fertilizer, the basaltic dust enriches the soil as well as accelerates carbon sequestration. So in the tea estate, they have used about 500 tons of dust. So still early years, it takes about 3 to 4 tons of basalt dust to sequester or trap a ton of atmospheric carbon over 2 or 4 years. Normally, it would have taken 1,000 years for natural basaltic rock to capture that much carbon, but the basaltic dust captures within few years. So, and also it enriches the soil, and the tea estate they used it. That's why it is in the news. In the criteria to recognize a language as classical, the linguistic expert committee removed which one of the following requirements? Literary tradition must be 3,000 years and not borrowed from a other speech community. Literary tradition must be original and not borrowed from another speech community. Knowledge text, especially prose text, in addition to poetry, epigraphical and inscriptional evidences. The answer is option B. Recently, the linguistic expert committee they removed few criteria to recognize a language as classical to include few languages in the last month. So option B was removed. Okay, and added a requirement for knowledge text, especially prose text, in addition to poetry, epigraphical and inscriptional evidences. And it also said a classical language could be distinct from its current form. Okay, and thus the Bengali Marathi also will be in the list. Okay, consider the following minerals: cobalt, lithium, cadmium, iron, mica. How many of these above minerals are critical minerals? Only two, only three, only four, all five. Okay. So except iron and mica, only three: cobalt, lithium, cadmium are considered as critical minerals. And the Indian government has listed about 30 minerals as critical minerals in India. And India and US signed an initial pact to cooperate on strengthening supply chains in the two countries for lithium, cobalt, and other critical minerals used in the electric vehicles and clean energy applications. So please note this: the denoted minerals are critical minerals, the 30 critical minerals on India. Okay. So evaluate your current affairs preparation daily using the free daily test available at geodomy.in. Be productive in your current affairs preparation and save your time and evaluate yourself by taking the test in www.geodomy.in. Thank you all.